Folks, St. Paul Steam here. This is my last B-41 display box that I've made, and I've made this for myself. And it's got a few special features. It's got a couple of toggle switches on the back, one for the LED and one for an internal light, and this box has a floor in it as well. And I've got a B-30 sitting on top of it, all restored. And this one was donated to me from Mike, or Maxwell, forum member. And let's take a little closer look around. I've totally refurbished the whole B-30 there. And I gave it a pressure gauge too. And this one here I've added, like I say, I've got two toggle switches here, one for the LED up front, and then an internal set of LED lights here. You can see the cords stashed away safely inside there. Let's take a closer look at the engine. Be right back. Okay, this is the engine Mike gave me as a Christmas present. Thank you so much, Mike. As you can see, it's got a, I call it a nuclear restoration. We took it all down to basics and pretty much built it back up, painted everything. Got a great heater in it. This whistle top was donated by Empire Man 202 or Stuart Owens. Thank you very much, Stuart. Appreciate that. Got a good heater, and I might fire it up in a future video. You can see the back of the gauge is painted to match the base. Got some PM Research plumbing in there. Took out that little plug in the end of the valve body. See the beautiful little engine now. Anyway, thanks for looking, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day now.